Betsy is here now. What you got in store for us? I didn't hear you say snow,
no.
which is good.
No, still no snow in the next 7 days, but it's going to be very active. So kind of 1, 2, 3 as far as the rain chances go. We are sitting in the 60s, y'all. It is nice out there, and our temperatures are going to fall back into the 50s. But look at down there. See the rain? And what's that flashy thing? Remember what thunderstorms sound like? We do have a chance to hear a few rumbles as we go through the night, and I haven't had thunderstorms in quite some time. But we have all this heat going on, and a little bit of instability goes a long way this time of the year. So temperatures low in mid-60s right now, feeling fine and looking dry. We have a clear radar to show you here in northeast Ohio, but to the west, we are seeing showers beginning to line up along a cold front that will be advancing eastward as we go through the night into the start of the day tomorrow. And there you see where that cold front is. What a change, right? We have that very distinct line from the 60s back to the 50s, and then, yeah, the 40s and the 30s. So we will be cooler tomorrow, but remember, this is not going to be a clean sweep. This whole frontal system and all this cold air is not going to press right in and move through. It's actually going to come in and kind of pivot a little bit, and we're going to stay in the 50s for the day tomorrow. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. We will bring those rain chances into the west as we pass the 9 o'clock hour. Temperatures are holding in the 60s. We'll fade back into the 50s and to about 60 degrees at midnight. This looks a little aggressive to me. Don't be afraid of the reds. I think it's just going to be heavy rain and a possibility of some rumbles of thunder. And then you can see we get into more of the scattered rain and rumble chances through the early morning, although I think the better chances for the rumbles will be tonight rather than tomorrow. 50s to begin the day tomorrow, and notice how those temperatures settled back into the low 50s right at the start of the day. That's where we're going to hold throughout much of the afternoon. So it's kind of a tricky forecast as far as which number do you put on there, because the high temperature will be achieved probably about 4 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll see the temperatures sliding, and by this time tomorrow we'll be sitting back into the upper 40s, but I think we will get to see a little bit of sunshine by the end of the day. It'll be cooler. Yes, we'll be in the 50s, low 50s, sliding back into the 40s. And the rest of your Universal Windows Direct forecast has us turning around beautifully up to about 60 on Saturday. Late day rain and thunderstorm chances come in. We'll hold that into Sunday. We have another batch coming late Sunday into Monday. That's a big front. That's one that's going to take us from, 70 on Sunday back to the 40s by the middle of next week. Jimmy's up next with sports.